right, guys, I'm going to show you how to print something different colors. So I'm going to do a very simple block. I'm going to turn this into something I could print different colors. So right now, if I had that block, I can only print it one color because that's the way our 3D printers do. So it's one body. What I'm going to do is I'm going to split this body. So I'm going to come up to split body. Oh, first I'm going to put a line on it. Watch this. I'm going to draw a line. Where do I want it to split? So I would split it wherever I want to split it. So I'm just going to split this in half. I'm going to split body. It's under modify. This is the body I want to split. The splitting tool will be that line. Okay. So now it has two bodies. I'm going to come over here, right click and do component from body. I'm going to make each one of those a component. And now they are free to move. I'm not quite done. I'm going to even make this easier. So I could print this one yellow, this one white. If I had more, I could do this. But what I don't want to have to do then is glue it together where it's hard to align. So I am going to sketch on this face. I'll just capture the position. I'm going to turn off. I'm going to do this better. Hold on. I'm going to leave it in place. I'm going to sketch on this one. I'm going to create a sketch on this face right here. I'm going to put a line from corner to corner. And then I'm going to put a circle on there at the midpoint. I got to pay attention to my location. I'm going to make it 0.25. I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude this in as a whole. Say 0.2 and hit OK. Now, I'm going to go turn this one off and this one off. I'm going to turn the other one off. And if I want, I can come over here, click on that. But now I'm going to draw the same thing. I'm going to locate it the same. So I'm going to use corner to corner. And then I'm going to come to the midpoint of that, come right there. I made a hole that was 0.25. I'm going to make this 0.24. And finish sketch, and I'm going to make a peg that comes out 0.2. All right, so now if I turn both of them back on and come up here and then separate them, tell me about this. I got a peg and a hole. I print this one white, I print this one black. When I go to glue them together, oh my gosh, does that make life better? That way you're going to be guaranteed. I just did 1/100 of an inch smaller, which is going to work fine, but this makes my life better. There's lots of fancy ways of doing this, but just having a little bit of a line, a pin and a hole to align it when I go to glue it, boy, does that make my life better. So if I want to print a body that is different colors, they have to be separate components. Then they're going to have to be turned in as, head white, body black. I'm going to have to include the color, otherwise it'll get super confusing. And we don't want to, your teacher is old and kind of dodgy, but I'm going to save that.